When we talk about lead times and those pieces for equipment, especially because they are so long, and especially when you do get into more specialty gear, medium voltage gear, high voltage gear, it's the lead times are insane. It's like it's an 80-week lead time to get a specific piece of equipment or the one that you would want, right? So, okay, well, that's not acceptable. Okay, so what can we do? Well, we can either go buy refurbished gear from somewhere else, right? And it's UL certified, it gets relisted, it's good to go. Well, we can have that in 30 weeks. Oh, I like that much better, right? No, but it's been recertified maybe by the manufacturer, maybe by UL or some other testing authority. So you do have some certainty around the equipment being able to run and function. And then you're saving a full year of timeline on buying this other piece of gear. Well, that's a pretty good trade off, if you ask me, in doing it. And if you can shave a year off of it, right, from 80 weeks down to, say, 36 weeks, like, heck, if I'm going to save 44 weeks on a piece of gear, heck, man, that's a whole basically year out of my timeline. Okay, what's that worth? So a lot of engineering choices and trade-offs are being made a lot in design build, especially in real time, because manufacturers and suppliers have these choices. And because you're engineer record, they're not going to have to go through a submittal review process. They're not going to have to go for an exchange process. It's just, we have a conversation. We kind of bring in the owner, contractor, everybody, for some of these bigger decisions around, like, refurbished gear is definitely a big owner conversation. But for any given other pieces, manufacturer A or B, right? If I believe that they're equal or see some data sheets and say that they're equal, okay, great. We'll go with manufacturer B and still get the same thing in half the lead time. Okay, great. We made that decision. We move on.